Hey guys, so in today's video we will be talking about my new daily driver, which is sitting right in front of you. It's a 2007 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS. A while back I sold my motorcycle, and the money I made from that I used to pay for this. So again, this will be my new daily driver, replacing the 2003 Chevrolet Impala that I had, which I still currently have, but it's sitting in a storage unit rotting away. Hopefully one day I'll get it up and running again, but as of right now this will be the new daily driver. So again, it's a 2007 Monte Carlo. It's got about 120,000 miles-ish, which is really low miles for this year. Again, it's a daily driver, so it's not perfect. It's definitely got some dings and stuff on it, but again, driving this through the winter and stuff like that, it's going to happen, so I might as well buy it like that. That way it'll be easy to daily drive and I don't have to worry about things happening to it. So currently the passenger side headlight has a major moisture problem. As you can tell, a lot of condensation in there. So I'll be replacing that at some point. There's a dent right there. I'm not sure if the camera will catch it. There's a pretty bad scrape right there. Again, I don't know how well the camera's going to catch this. We have some paint peeling. Again, just some more paint issues in the back here. And then it also has a door ding right here. Open it up, we'll take a look inside. So unfortunately, the previous owner did smoke in here. So the seats are not in great shape, as you can tell. They must have put their cigarettes out on the seat or something like that, because definitely smells in here. It needs a good ozone treatment and cleaning. And again, the trunk, pretty decent amount of room in here. So it's got a lot of junk in there right now, but it's a really decent sized trunk. You can definitely fit a lot of stuff in there, which is nice. It currently still has the North Dakota plates on it. I still have to get this thing registered under my name and all that, and get everything transferred over, which I'll be doing shortly here. Overall, the car is in pretty good shape. It's really not too bad. I'll set you guys down and pop the hood real quick. The engine's in fairly good shape. I mean, it's fairly clean for being, again, a 2007. And it doesn't have the hood prop, which is awesome. Even my GTR has the hood prop, which I thought was kind of funny. Obviously, I replaced that now, but the badge in the front has some damage. Also, the badge in the rear has some damage too, but again, I'll be probably replacing those at some point. Yeah, I just wanted to make this short video, which turned out to be a little bit longer than I thought, but just wanted to make this to show you guys my new daily driver. Stay tuned. Again, I'll be doing a little bit of modifying to this. I'll probably do new taillights, new headlights, and then new emblems, and that'll be about it. As I do those, I'll try and film before and after videos. If not, I'll make sure I at least film videos after I replace the parts. But yeah, this is my new daily driver. Thanks for watching.